Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a neat idea based off of something like the Architect Simulator, which you can find at bootuppd.org. So this project that I show you how to create on our website, when you open it up, you have the option to create, I don't know, like a house or something. So you drag these different blocks and you can use them to create So you can create a project that makes it so that you can make something like this, like a house or something. I don't know. It's up to you. All right, so the neat idea that I want to show you is a project titled Pixel Art Editor 99% by MaxiMouse. And I include a direct link to this in the description below. Now, this allows you to create all kinds of really cool stuff. So maybe you want to click and you can draw a line. Isn't that really neat? Yeah. No. Okay. So actually, if you go to the menu here, you can actually go to the gallery and download some ideas. So you could be like, which one do I want to use? And I want to actually make a little face. So when you say open in editor, then it actually populates it inside of the project itself, and then you can change it. So maybe you can be like, I want to actually have pink eyes, and maybe I want to have a green smile or something like that. So same idea in terms of being able to make it so that it snaps to a grid when you're moving, and when you click, it will stamp down a object. In this case, it's all squares, so it allows you to do the pixel art. This person has some purple beard or something, but this one uses almost all pin blocks. When you click see inside, you can check out the code in here, and there's a lot of code in here, but try experimenting with it and changing it around a bit. If you like this idea, make sure you check out the project in the description, because I show you how to create this original one, the Architect Simulator, so you can make something like this, and then maybe make your own version, which looks something like this. I don't know, that's up to you. If you make something that's really cool that's based off of something like this, make sure you share it in the comments below so we can all take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.